In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck. After that, install this free app from this developer and open it. DevCheck Device and System Info. Following that, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!